Governor, this income tax cut, I know you don't want to give a lot of details, but we are talking about income tax when you talk about a tax cut next year?
Oh, I mean, we don't know yet. We have to see how the revenues are going, and there's going to be a lot of moving parts, but it would be my interest to continue to reduce our costs. I mean, we heard Alan Mulally here today talk about, the need to have low costs, the need to innovate. And so, we got to get through this first, but I see no reason if the numbers keep running the way they're running and we have more successes that we wouldn't want to give money back to people again next year. But it's I'm just saying that it's something that and I've talked to the leaders about it. It's something that we all think would be good if we can do it. We'll see.
Now that you've been in this job a while, is it possible even to eliminate the income tax? Is it something you would try to do?
Well, look, I mean that's so far, it's out there. But the idea that we would keep driving it lower helps small business. It creates a better business climate. But I don't think it's just that. It's the other things. We need to make sure that we have that educated workforce. We need to make sure that that we get rid of these regulations that don't make a lot of sense. But do I think that if we can keep things going, it can create a momentum for more good things? The answer to that is yes.
Governor, are you specifically talking about an income tax?
No, I'm not talking about anything now. I'm just saying I don't want to get into what it would be. I'm just saying that
could be sales, could be income, could be this, could be that.
Look, the only thing I'm saying is if we are in a position of where we have significant revenue that is not necessary to fund the government, we should give that back to the taxpayers. That's all I'm saying. It's too early. I mean, we're early we haven't even passed this budget yet. It has to make its way through the Senate and through the conference committee and be signed into law. But we're always looking for a way in which we can lower costs and let families have more of their money.
I'm going to push my luck a little bit here. Are you talking about something in addition to the estate tax cut, which is already in the bill for?
Oh yeah, I'm saying that it's possible that if things keep going, we keep getting good revenue growth. Now, we're going to have a meeting with our economists, and with the price of gasoline right now, it's something we have to be concerned about. We have to be cautious, but what I'm saying is that this has been a conservative budget. We've done it on purpose, and if we get a break to the upside, it means that we will have more money than we need to fund the basic services of the government. And if that's the case, I'd like to give it back.
If you have that extra revenue, why not build up the rainy day fund as well?
Well, I mean, there's some provision about that. I mean, it's something you have to think about, but I believe that the single biggest way in which we can continue to have success with companies is to lower their costs and lower the costs for their employees. I mean, it's every time I have a conversation with a business. I mean, I was up in Toledo today talking to the CEO of General Motors. I said to him, we'll do everything we can to help you to create an environment here that's going to be good for you, and it's a great announcement for Toledo. I get Mulally back here, and first thing I said to him is, we're going to move heaven and earth and do everything we can. So we want to keep thinking about ways in which we can be more and more attractive.